peaceful Sunday morning settled over Pearl Harbor before history changed forever. Battleship Row rested silently, unaware of the approaching deadly storm. American sailors enjoyed breakfast, expecting another ordinary day at sea. Far across the Pacific, Japan's powerful fleet prepared for surprise attack. Determined Japanese pilots climbed aboard their aircraft for a dangerous mission. Hundreds of warplanes launched, racing silently toward the Hawaiian Islands. Radar operators detected unknown aircraft, but dismissed the alarming warning. The first wave approached Oahu, hidden beneath the early morning clouds. Confused sailors looked upward as unfamiliar aircraft filled the peaceful sky. Japanese bombers suddenly descended, beginning one of history's deadliest surprise attacks. Explosions shattered Pearl Harbor, turning peaceful waters into complete devastation instantly. USS Arizona exploded violently, killing over 1,000 brave American sailors. Burning oil covered the harbor as desperate sailors fought for survival. USS Oklahoma rolled over, trapping countless crew members inside its steel hull. Japanese fighters relentlessly attacked American airfields, destroying aircraft before takeoff. American gunners bravely returned fire despite overwhelming surprise and relentless attacks. Terrified civilians watched black smoke consume Pearl Harbor from distant Honolulu streets. Japanese torpedo bombers struck battleships with deadly precision across the harbor. Battleship Row became an ocean of fire, smoke, and unimaginable destruction. Brave sailors rescued injured comrades despite burning water and constant explosions.
One determined sailor proudly raised the American flag through endless chaos. Japanese pilots returned victorious, leaving unimaginable destruction behind them. Pearl Harbor lay devastated, with shattered ships burning beneath dark smoke. Rescue teams searched tirelessly for survivors trapped beneath twisted steel wreckage. President Roosevelt addressed Congress, delivering words America would never forget. Congress listened silently as America prepared for war against Japan. Thousands of young Americans immediately volunteered to defend their wounded nation. America's mighty fleet sailed forward, determined to restore peace through victory. Pearl Harbor Memorial now stands forever, honoring those who sacrificed everything.